Try one of the vehicles over there to yank them out. You want me to come back that way?
Ian, if you can back up your rear bumper to the front of the power wagon, that's going to be the easiest pull.
All right, yeah, I'll give that a shot.
Copy. I'm coming that way with enough rope shackles to fit around the frame.
Yeah, I'll have to see if I have this drop hitch. I don't know if I got the right hitch.
I should have enough shackles that we can figure out something to hook to. Oh, she's moving.
I can keep it running. I can swim in there.
Oh, I got the boots on. You don't have to do that, Hunter.
You're good. That's right. I'm always playing in the mud.
I figured we just go to this front cross member. Yep, yeah. That thick. Yeah, oh yeah, that's plenty thick.
But you see what I did to the car there. I don't want to give a crap.
You got a hitch, boy?
Yeah, there's a. We can go to that bar.
Okay, I was going to say, I don't know if I brought the right hitch.
No, I got it. Here, Hunter, will you put that knot through there? Well, let's just see what you're working with for a strap. Do you have one or you need me?
Yeah. Solid enough to do the strap.
Yeah, I mean, he's barely stuck.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's
You're going to stay running. Awesome. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you have to open that knot back up, put the strap on it.
You're like the founder of the group, right?
Yeah, that's me. Thank you.
It's a lot more comforting doing it the legal way.
Yeah, I've been arrested many times for trespassing. So, yeah, I was like, there has to be a better way than, running into the police every time you go off-roading.
How often do y'all get up like this?
Out here, like once a month. We got something going on every weekend. Where'd you guys drive in from?
We're from Chesapeake.
Oh, all right. Yeah, Virginia Beach here.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, there's always something going on with Where to Wheel every weekend.
I'm gonna get tight and I should be good.
Yeah, just take it real easy at first.
Yeah.
And you might just have to go to neutral and you take him back to the parking lot. No AC? No. The Jeep doesn't have AC either.
The first time this truck got
That's right. All right, Hunter, you got your radio? All right, Ian, Hunter's on the radio. I'll let you talk to him.
Let's pull out, boy. Alright, I'm gonna get you a little bit tight. I ain't gonna snatch this on that fence.
All right, Ian, you might want to, once Hunter gets started, or Hunter, you just shifted neutral, but you might want to tow him all the way back to where the rest of the 4x4s are parked.
Yes, sir. Which way is the most solid way to pull him out of here? Left, the way I came in?
Correct, yeah, left's gonna be your easiest path.
Roger that. You good to go? My truck's gonna turn off though, but keep going.
point up over on me.
Make sure I don't run that
Okay.
in my hub.
All right, Ian, so you should see Don over there. Just start heading towards Don.
Put in full drive, boy.
Yeah, I think you're gonna need all 4 tires spinning.
Yeah, that's the weird part. She is in 4. All right, give me a second.
Copy.
I gotta get it running again.
Okay.
All right, my 4 is acting up, so give me a second.
Yeah, Ian, your 4-wheel drive is not engaging.
Yeah.
All right, I can always get the XJ and put it on the front of you and we'll have a train.
I think I'll be able to get her out. Just give me a second. This actuator's messed up before.
Copy.
I can tug him out with the chappy.
Get a little import.
Go ahead.
There we go. Now we're cooking with peanut oil.
All the drive's not working. We'll have some fun,
Oh yeah!